What up, WINBUSH here, and today I'm going to scan my dog's favorite chew toy with an Android phone, the Galaxy Fold to be exact. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now for this, I'm going to be using RealityScan. They actually just did an update a couple of hours ago that will allow us to be able to use our Android phone or tablet to be able to scan any object. Before, this was only for iOS, in which a few months ago I actually did a full tutorial running down on that, how I use the iPhone and the iPad to do scans. But for this one, I'm actually using my Fold, my Samsung Fold, and I'm just walking around my dog's chew toy. I have it outside where it's sunny. It's not a cloudy day, so the sun is really harsh, but I just wanted to test this out. As you can see, my dog is down there guarding his favorite chew toy. He's not too happy about it, but I like the way that he actually chewed up the toy here. So you can see we have like the hole here because he likes ripping out all the stuffing in there, and we have some tags. Like, this has been through a couple of weeks worth of chewing, so I wanted to be able to get all that detail within my scan. So of course you have 200 photos that you can upload, so you just circle around it several times as I'm doing right now. So first I like to do it at eye level, go around it a few times, go up top, go around it, and then down below, if I had a couple of them left, I think I maybe had like 10 photos left, but it'll actually let you know down the lower left hand corner how many shots you have left before you hit that 200. And once you're done, it actually will pull up the point cloud, and if it's getting a good scan, it will actually pull up the point cloud while you're scanning. But you can see in the red area is areas that it's not quite done with yet, or it might need some more photo data to get some more detail in there, and then the green ones are good and the yellows are somewhere in between. And then once you're done, all it's going to do on this next screen is ask you to crop the object that you're actually trying to scan, so you can see all the different point clouds in there. So all I did was crop it down until I got it directly above the chew toy. That's the only thing that I wanted it to scan, and this process took a few minutes, but it's actually going to process it, and you'll be able to get a preview here on your phone. So once the process is done, this is actually the 3D scan preview on the phone, but also while you're seeing it on the phone, it actually uploaded it to the cloud, processed everything, and then brought it over to Sketchfab, where we can actually get a better look at how everything looks. So I'm on Sketchfab right now. As you can see, these are some of the other scans that I did in the past. Like I said, this was around 3 or 4 months ago where I did the shoes and the hats, and this was all done on iOS. But this one right here where it says Dookie's Toy, I'm going to left click on this because this is the latest scan that I just did with Android. And if I push in here a little bit, you can see the scan is actually really good. Like, I can pull in, you can see a lot of detail in there. I was actually surprised at how good it is. Like, you can see the tag down here. You can actually see all the text. It's all legible. It's all sharp. And down here underneath the bottom side there, of course, you have the poll that I had it up on. But this is all stuff that you could bring it into like Cinema 4D or Blender or something and just do some cleanup. You see we have some stragglers out there as well. But for a first pass on the scan, like, this is really nice. Like, let me actually make this full screen so we could just zoom in here a little bit better. This is the part that I really wanted to get, the stuffing that's coming out. You can see we have the seam broken here and everything. We're getting some harsh shadows on there, but again, this wasn't a cloudy day, and so I had to get what I could get, and it was just a really harsh sunny day out today here in Southern California. But I'm really impressed with these results. You can easily go through any program of your choice and clean this up. So I'll leave a link down in the description down below or in the comments in case you guys want to download this and just check it out, or even just look at it in a web browser. But on the Android phone, I'm actually impressed with the results. I wasn't sure what I was going to get, but I actually think it looks better than when I did my iOS version. But again, I was saying that was a couple of months ago, and there's probably been some updates in between there. So I probably have to go back, test out iOS, and see what kind of results I could get. But this is all free, so you guys can download it as you please. And don't worry, took care of Dookie. He's completely fine. I gave him his favorite chew snack, and he's all good to go. So of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Maybe link me to a couple of your scans that you did. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll see you soon. Take care.